I will answer this one in English because I think it needs some detail on your question. I think first of all, I had a beautiful time at the opponent. I won trophy. I had a good time, and then sometimes things happen in your life, and you move on without hard feelings. And when you mentioned Luis Figo, I think I watched the documentary of him about the move, and I experienced lots of difficulties when I first made the move. But on the other hand, I'm someone who is known for his determination, for his mindset, for his will to win. And wherever I go, I will win. And I think impressive, I found a new home, a new family, a new place where I'm respected. And even here, I won. And the funny thing is, every time I play a bad game or there's a bad result, I will always still get insults from people who feel that I betrayed them or that I made a decision where they not agree with. And this is the life. And this is something I have to deal with for the rest of my career. And this is something I'm comfortable with to deal with because for me it's about giving my best, doing things what are right, living on my values, and in the end of the day win. And tomorrow is another chance for me to showcase who's Pescabano, who's Marco, and who wants to win the most. And may the best team win tomorrow without any hard feelings to any of the teams. But I want to embrace the feeling and the family of this city because I know how much pride and how much feelings and how much dedication the supporters put to support us and to be on top of the league tomorrow. And that's